Actually, I'm going to use a different method. So let's use split again, since we've seen it in action before. And the only thing I don't love about Visual Studio Code is they have a lot of pop-up menus, but we can split not just on spaces, but we can mention what we want to split on, which are these dashes. And then let's print the new value that we're storing in the same variable called today. All right, great. So we want to keep the second and third item of this list. Now Python counts starting at 0. So you want to say today is today of 1 plus today of 2 to grab the second and third item respectively, given that Python starts counting at 0. And we want a slash between these two. So we can add string